What's up, guys? How are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here, this is Amand Ideas. On this channel, we talk about business, marketing, sales, and entrepreneurship. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. And if you're just seeing my video for the first time, please stay to the end of this video because you are going to get value. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. I've been struggling to create a business lately. I've been struggling with business ideas, thinking of one business idea to another. It seems I'm not coming to any conclusion. I felt something is wrong because I feel like there should be a way of step by step that should just guide me on the business idea to creating the business and launching the business. Let me share with you 5 steps that I discovered on how to create a business. Number one is generating business ideas. You need to think of business ideas, but how do you even think of business ideas? The first thing is to brainstorm business ideas. Think of the skills you have, think of your interests, think of problems that you are passionate about solving. From there, you will generate several business ideas. To generate business ideas, after brainstorming, you have to conduct a market research. You have to conduct a market research in order to check the viability of your ideas and also identify your potential customers. Because how are you going to know whether your ideas are ideas that are going to work? So you have to conduct a market research and also assess your competitions. You have to assess your competition, see what they're already doing, study them. From there, you will get to see if your idea is actually a nice idea. So from there, you get to know what they are doing right, and you can actually from there study what they are not doing right. So maybe that might be your own business opportunity. The next thing you need to know in order to generate a good business idea is to identify the problem you are solving. You need to know the problem you want to solve in order to generate a good business idea. You cannot just think of something and feel okay, this is a business idea and I'm going to start this. No, you need to know what the people need. You need to know what people need in your area. You need to know the problem you want to solve. Because from this, people are going to need you. By people needing you, then that's a business opportunity for you to start. The next thing you need to know in order to generate a good business idea is developing a unique value proposition, because your value proposition is what you want to offer to people. And that's what will make them choose you over your competitors. The last thing you need to do to generate your business idea is to define your ideas. You have actually brainstormed ideas, you've done your market research, you've identified the problem you want to solve, you've developed your value proposition. The next thing you need to do is to refine your ideas. All the ideas that you have gathered, all the data that you have gathered, then you now need to identify which one is a business opportunity. By identifying a business opportunity out of these ideas, that is when you now move to the second step of creating a business. What is the second step of creating a business? The second step to create a business is lead generation. You need to know you're going to bring customers in. Then how are you going to bring customers? You need to know how you're going to do your marketing. Who are your target audience? Where are your target audience? How can you get to your target audience? These are the things that you need to know. The third step to create a business is to backtest your business and adjust to fit the market. Backtesting will allow you to actually know what the people want from you and not what you think they want. Do you get it? Backtesting will allow you to know the right thing you need to put in your business and what you have been doing wrong. The first step to create a business is to launch your business. So after backtesting, you have actually gone through thin and thick to actually test, okay, if this business idea is going to work, next thing is to launch your business. Launch your business and start operating fully. The last step is to expand your business and scale up. Yeah, expand the business and scale up. And some of the ways you can expand the business and scale up is to employ higher equipment, employ more workers, improve your marketing and your business strategy. And there are several ways to expand your business and scale up your business. If you find this video interesting and you learn something from this video, please like this video because it will help this video and YouTube will get to push it more to more people to see it. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to see our video whenever we drop new video. Thank you guys. We bring more tips to your ear. Thank you. See you in my next video.